Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to make Dopiaza from scratch. To make Dopiaza you need 2 tablespoons of oil, half an onion cut in chunks, 1/3 of a red pepper cut into chunks, 1/3 of a green pepper cut into chunks, 1 teaspoon of garlic grated or paste, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger grated or paste, half a tomato cut in slices, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste mixed with 4 tablespoons of water, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, and 250 millilitres of curry base. Heat a pan on high and add the oil. Once sizzling, add the chunked onions, peppers and salt and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the ginger and garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Add the tomato paste and stir through for 30 seconds. Add a little bit of hot base gravy if it looks dry. Add the cumin, coriander, garam masala, chilli and turmeric and mix in. Add a little bit of the hot base gravy and cook for another 30 seconds to create a paste. Add the meat and a little more base gravy and cook for another 30 seconds. Add the fresh tomatoes and cook for another 30 seconds, adding more base gravy if required. Add the heated base gravy and cook until it thickens, stirring every 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce reaches your desired consistency, adding more water if you need it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.